Hey guys, in today's video, let's look at how to get the ASCII code of the characters used in a word using VBA. I've done this example in Excel, but you could modify the code for Word as well. Let's get started coding. Let's start by declaring our function. I'm going to call it getCellASCII codes, and it will take a cell as an input. Then we declare some variables. One to store the result, one to store the cell value, and another one to function as a count. As a good practice, the first thing we should do is check if a cell is empty. Now, let's convert the cell value to a string. To do so, we'll use the cstring method. Then let's initialize the result by stating the ASCII codes for a particular cell reference R. With that done, it is time to loop through the characters of the string and get their ASCII value by using ASCII function. We'll loop from 1 to the length of the cell value and use the mid function to get the character at each position. Then we will get the ASCII value and add it to the result. And as we loop, we increase the result. Let's test it out with Hello World. I'll add an exclamation mark and some quotation marks. To use the function, we type equals followed by the function name, and then pass in the cell that we want to check. Great! It works, and as you can see, it shows the character at each position and what key value it has. Hope you guys find it useful, and I will see you in the next video. Code will be up on the site soon.